Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your toilet if it's continuously running. So I'm actually going to take this ball cock assembly apart and show you what failed in it. So the first thing you want to do is cut your water valve off. Well, this water valve wouldn't cut off all the way, so I actually had to go out to the road and cut it off at the meter, which is really simple. Just get you a T-handle wrench for your water meter, and I'm going to show you a few other things in this video about what could cause your toilet to keep running other than the ball cock assembly. So here I'm taking the ball cock valve apart, and you see the rod's bent, and that was to try to keep the water from running, and then your flow could actually have a hole in it and allow water to get in there. So this right here, you see the washers wore out, or the gasket inside there, the seal. Everything in here is probably okay. There's the valve that lets the water come through, and also there's a screen right here. If you got poor water flow to your toilet, it's probably because the screen's dirty. Next, you want to get the water out of the back of the toilet with a sponge. I'm using a towel right here, and then you want to disconnect the water line, and it should just be hand tight. Reach down there and just unscrew it. As you can see, the water is still coming out, and it's because it's downhill. This is in the basement of this house, and so it's just going to keep coming out. I had a little issue. I guess because this is downhill, the water just kept coming out, so I had to go ahead and get this new ball valve. Yeah, water's still coming out. Just wiggle that ball valve around. Let's see. Let me show you. I'm going to show you, but I got to hurry because the water is flooding in the bathroom here. Alright. Just unscrew it here. Just wiggle that a little bit, and that'll break that nut loose on the bottom. You know, I could replace the whole thing. The ball cock valve assembly was like $9. Less than $9 without tax. New flapper assembly and everything, that was another about $9. Get the whole kit for $26 with the arm and everything. We didn't need that because it wasn't leaking down off in here. Lean good and tight. Just tight, hand tight. Make sure that's facing the way you need it. Unscrew that. And one thing we're going to do is bend the rod back, because we bent the rod to try to get it to stop running water, and that didn't work. So we're going to bend the rod back and screw it back in here. Pliers. Give it a tighten. New hose. So this little piece right here goes on the side. Let me show you. Goes on the side right here, but we don't need that since we've got this. We're just going to run the tube off down in there, so the tube's going to go from here to here. Now the fun begins. We're going to cut the water back on up at the road. See how it's got water coming in there already, and I ain't even got the water cut on. Alright, let's adjust it. Check for leaks. No leaks so far. Now we're going to adjust these settings in here. The water is about half an inch to maybe an inch from the top, and that's pretty good. Screw it in. It controls the water level when you're doing this, because the ball is going to come up and stop everything off. Let's make it run a little bit more. I want it to be about an inch right there below it. It's right there. Right where I wanted it at. Y'all be sure to check out my other videos on home improvement and DIYs. Hope this video helped you out in some kind of way. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. I answer all the comments. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back.